Alright, so this is my blade 120S. Alright, now this is how, you know, it should come, or shall I say how it will look when you get it out the box with the plastic landing gear and the regular tail right here, and you know, the regular blade stuff that they give you, which is plastic. This is very plasticky. As you can see, I had some problems. It was just basically landed. I cracked it a little bit, but you know, I taped it back up, nothing major. But yeah, I went and got some custom parts, carbon fiber custom parts. I think from Amazon. Got the landing gear, and I got the whole tail wing, and that's pretty much it. It just came with this, the tail wing, the landing gear, and I also had to replace, I don't know what you call this, the rotor or something. What you see is red. Originally it'll be black and plastic, but this one is metal because, you know, I had broke it previously. It just snapped because it was plastic. And then I just had a little, like, little copper wire right here. Got a little bent, like it was about to come off, so I just put this up here just to, you know, keep it from, you know what I'm saying, getting further damage or possibly cutting loose. And then had to get a whole new wire. I actually can show you inside the box what the landing gear looks like. Oh, I actually cannot. I don't have it, but you can see I went through a couple tails. I don't know what this is. Fiber or something. And that's the end of the video. With a blade, custom blade 120, should I say? Because this ain't even regular. All right, y'all.